Hi, hello everyone, happy Wednesday. Today I really want to decorate for spring because it's officially springtime and yeah, change my mood board, do a little gallery wall I was thinking. But before that I really want to go outside and breathe in the fresh air. It's beautiful, the sun is shining, the sky is blue. So let's go for a walk. I'm also going to take my book with me, hoping that I can sit somewhere for a while. It's not too warm yet, but maybe I can read for a bit. I'm currently reading, hold on, The Thursday Murder Club by Richard Osman, which I'm reading with a couple of friends of mine. I've only actually started yesterday. I read the first page, so really can't tell you anything about it yet, but I'm really looking forward to it. It's been a while since I read crime fiction, so let's go for a walk. Hello, I'm back and it was really lovely. I managed to read quite a few pages. I'm on page 22 now. I'm a rather slow reader, so that is rather good for me. So this is page 22 and chapter 5, and so far it's really good. I have quite high hopes in this book because I've heard so many good reviews about it. But now I really want to get started on redecorating the wall up here because it just really needs some change. I really don't want to leave it like that. The mood board is still on autumn season and it is spring now, so it's about time. I also bought 2 more frames. Yesterday I went to IKEA with a friend of mine and I picked up 3 frames, but I need 6 in total, so I needed to pick up 2 more, and there was one that I bought a couple of days ago. So basically, let me show you. I want to change this wall here. So I was thinking to put this painting that my grandma made up here, and I don't know what I'm going to do with these postcards, but yeah, so basically this is going to go here, and then I'm going to have a little gallery wall on this spot here, and then this is going to, you know, you can see it up close that this is very much sort of autumn season style, so it really needs to change too. And so yeah, the frames that I bought are over here. So I just got this one in this sort of copper kind of colour and a white one. I'm not quite sure what's going to fit. I don't know, I'm not quite sure, but I just didn't want to have just all the same. I think it would be super boring. And then these are the ones I got at IKEA yesterday. So this golden one and 2 very simple white ones, one of which I want to paint pink. So we see how that goes. I unwrapped all of the frames. I think I'm going to paint this one pink because let me show you the postcards I want to put in all of these frames. They're all postcards I got from my Patreon memberships from Lee Alexson, Morgan Long and Shane Barton. So I want to put them in frames and make a gallery wall because I think it would be lovely. I never had them framed, so they were just sitting on my shelf waiting to be used. I have this one and this one by Lee Alexson that I really like. I love the pink, I love pink. And so I think I'm going to put these two up. Then there is these two by Shane Barton. I really love the mermaid and this little vase. And then one more by Lee Alexson. Hold on, these are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But there is actually, oh yeah, the most recent one that I got from Lee Alexson is one that I really love. It's so colourful and look at that. I really love it. And I think for this one I'd like to have a pink frame. So I'm going to use one of these and paint the frame pink. I think that's going to be very cool. Oh, nine. Oh, 9. Yay, I'm done. Oh my god, it looks so good. I'm so happy about how it turned out. I think it fits in so well with the rest of the decoration, though I think I will continue tomorrow. Hello, happy Thursday. Today it is rather gloomy and it's raining, but I still want to go outside before continuing redecorating. And I think I didn't show you that yesterday, I need to put up new curtains. So as you can see, there are no curtains because there was construction on this wall like a week or 2 ago and we had to put everything away, and So there are no curtains at the moment, and I bought new ones because the other ones were just too long and heavy, thick, you know. And so this is what I'm going to do today, and also, as I said yesterday, change this mood board to springtime because it's still autumn on here. So yeah, but before that I really want to go outside, and yeah, even though it's raining, I don't mind that too much. So I have a ton of postcards in here and more in this folder here. So let's get started with redecorating this mood board. Okay, so now I have to decide which postcards and photos are going to go in the mood board for this springtime season. I think I should probably one day organise all of my postcards because I have quite a lot of them now. I buy some when I go to museums, or I find them in magazines, Flow magazine for example, and so there are quite a few now. I'm going to get this organised and see what I like best. Yay! I finished my mood board. I really think it looks good. I have postcards from museums, or also photos that I took, like this one here, and one postcard that I painted, and I think it really matches, like the colours are quite fitting, and I'm really happy with how it looks. So I'm trying to take pictures for Instagram because it's been quite a while since I caught up with all of my paintings and drawings. I didn't make any photos. Like, interestingly, I made a sketchbook tour for YouTube, which is so much more work than doing pictures and reels, anything like that, but my Instagram has been inactive for like a couple of months, except for like I think one post and 2 reels, and I thought, why not? What is my hair doing? Anyway, so I thought I might just kind of go through all of my sketchbooks, because I actually completed 2 or 3 sketchbooks during the last couple of months, and I didn't post anything, which is kind of sad because I started this Instagram account and was hoping to share my journey, but yeah. So I bought this huge sheet of paper in a sort of greyish colour because the desk you're sitting on is this kind of light grey colour, and so the problem is though that when I take photos on there is a shadow on the back. So I was trying to find a solution for that, so I'm going to see if this is working, but yeah, I'm not quite sure. I'm going to go through a couple of sketchbook spreads and see if I like the results of it. Hello, happy Friday. Oh, this is tilted. I'd really like to put up the curtains today, but obviously yesterday I had to wash them first, so I'm going to check if they're dry now. So the curtains are dry, so I can put them up now, but the thing is that actually they're too long, so I'm going to put them up, see on what length I'm going to cut them. Someone's going to help me to sew them, and then I'm going to put them up again. So it's going to be quite a bit of work, and also as I have 2 windows I need 4 curtains obviously, and I only could wash 2 in the washing machine, so I have to wash the other 2 now, and then, well, it's just a bit of work, but I think it's going to look very nice. It's this lovely pink sort of rose colour, and I'm really looking forward to having curtains again because I think it just looks so bare and boring, and I just like to have curtains even though there are shutters too. But yeah, so let's go. So this is what it looks like right now. I'm not quite sure I put them up correctly because it's rather hard to move them back and forth. So I have to check that in order to make sure that I do not cut them too short. Yeah, but otherwise I really like the colour. I just love pink, and also I love the quality of this cotton fabric. I think it really looks lovely, and you do not have to iron them, which is great. So the curtains are finally up. I really love the way it looks. The pink colour is really, really lovely. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye bye!